Purezidenti Museveni kandi chairman w'ekibiina kya NRM omuri Ngora yayakirwa abanyakigombe kya NRM abarimu Calvin David Etwedu ori omuhwezi wa chairman wa NRM w'amatemba ga Uganda Rosemel Nansu Gaseninde Olmobraiza hamwe n'abandi kandi aba bashendashenda abantu bateso okuhagira chairman w'ekigombe kyabo. John Michael Okello or chairman wa NRM hawa district ya Ngora yaashaba president okutereza ebyamagaro mu nshuro erikwija arikumworeka n'amarwariro agarikwenda ngu gakuzibwe.
Upgrade of Ngora Health Center 4 to a district hospital, sir. Number 3, upgrade of Kapira and Kobwin Health Centers 3 to Health Centers 4, sir. Tamaking of Kapiri, Ngora, Kobwin and Aleles Palsa Road, sir.
President Museveni omukugamba kwena abantu yashobora okuyarwanisa abahekera ba Arsarakonum district ya Ngora nguni cy'abantu hati biniro obusinge ekiresereho na project za government.
When we were fighting the rebels
nada utatarikesa ITG rebels
and the cultural wrestlers,
the Tijotokesi rebels,
and we had big battles in Mukongoro, in Kanyum. All those are big names where we destroyed the Lakwena.
I just get the battles. I boy show and we guitar.
That's why you are no longer in IDP camps.
Next mambo wako nao ni jata rikede camps.
You are now in your homes.
Ijai kwa nao ore.
So that is the first contribution I coach.
Oguyagamba hantunguke yaresiro mchangechi erimwenguto hamwe n'ebindi.
Economic infrastructure.
Eja Apollo na ito Apollo owailo Apollo kal.
And social infrastructure.
Keda Apollo na ito soma anyibe. Eja Apollo na ito Apollo na peta no apugani otama otunga.
Economic infrastructure are things like the roads, the electricity, the telephones, the railway, the piped water, the schools, and the health centers. You people in Ngora, Kumi, Teso, you can audit and see what has been done on the two sides.
President Museveni nagira ngo bwahata bariyo baronda contractor akora uruguto rukuruga 10 okuzangora mpaka Serere.
Now
kwana
I come to a question
ibuni kwanoni
which I want you to answer me. I want them to answer my question.
Ekotongesi yesabongoni akenyiset.
You have got relatives in Kumi.
Ijaza sukeda itungali jenatari Kumi.
And in Kapiri.
Keda Kapiri.
And in Soroti.
Keda Soroti.
And in Bukedea.
Keda Bukedea.
In those areas, the tarmac road has already arrived there.
Abo shongunu adolonyo erotolo lekolas.
Now you ring your relatives or friends and ask them, do you sleep on the tarmac road at night?
President Museveni hona yaraganso kutungura omutindo gw'amarwariro kandi nagira ngo ebinaza kubikoraho mu nshuro erikwija biti yarabara abantu kwehara abanyabutegeki abari kugendana babiha abantu batine bari kuza kubakora.
Some people come and give you some little money for 5 years, 2,000 shillings. What sort of that you should support them because they have given you some money? How much money? 2,000 in 5 years. This is insult. NRM is showing you how to get out of poverty.
Amakuraga Gashakoram Edwin.